Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to do a very easy appetizer. Alright, so this appetizer is Orange Cranberry Meatballs. And let's picture this scenario for a moment. You're going to be home alone having a nice quiet evening for New Year's Eve. And then your husband or significant other comes in.
Hey, guess what? We got invited to a party, and I said yes. And we got to be there in 2.5 hours, and, well, I told him you'd cook some.
So what are you going to do? You don't really have time to run to the store to get groceries, and you really don't have time to really fix anything either. So I have the solution for you. Orange Cranberry Meatballs. You'll need a 28-ounce bag of frozen meatballs. This bag is 48 ounces. And I have this on hand for when I want to have an easy spaghetti and meatball supper. A 14-ounce can of whole berry cranberry sauce. I had this left over from Christmas. And from breakfast we have orange juice. You need 1/4 cup of orange juice and 12 ounces of chili sauce. And this is what I happen to have in my cupboard. So let's begin. Alright, so I have my crock pot here. I'm going to go ahead and dump in my meatballs, a little over half. And take my 12 ounces of chili sauce, my 1/4 cup of orange juice, and my 1 can of whole berry cranberries, and then go ahead and mix them up so it's thoroughly combined. Alright, so it looks like all the meatballs are covered. Slap on your lid. Turn it on to high and let it cook for 2 hours. That's all there is to it. I'll see you back then. Alright, so it's been 2 hours and the cranberry orange meatballs are done. You want to just make sure that they're heated all the way through. And I'll go ahead and have my husband give it a taste test.
Now what is this?
Cranberry orange meatballs.
Okay. Did you make the meatballs or they were?
They were frozen meatballs.
Frozen?
This is a
Okay.
very quick appetizer.
Okay. But you made the glaze?
I did.
It's good. It's got a, it's kind of like an Italian meatball or something. Is that what that is?
Yes.
Okay. And then there's a little sweetness to it. It's a pretty good blend. I like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.